Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be routing the users from the home page to our cart page. Okay, so if someone clicks on add to cart button, he will be redirected to our cart page, and we have already created our cart page earlier. If we click on it, oh, I see that the image of this cart page is not loading as of now. So let us quickly go to Canva and create one image. Here I'll be choosing custom size and 500 by 250 maybe, and here I'll be creating one new file. Okay, I will go to photos and a cart page. We will simply use this one. Okay, this one will look fine. Then we will download it. And then we will go to our control panel, upload the image, cart, upload the image here, and we will use the URL public underscore html and assets and img and here cart.png. So let us rename the URL for fetching the image. So okay, this is the home page and we have to go to our cart page, and here boopers.tk, boopers.tk slash assets slash img slash cart.png. Okay, now I can see the image here. Okay, so since we are using network image, so the image is already fetched through our API, not through API, directly through the network. And our cart page is now ready. If someone clicks on this button, we have to push him directly to our cart page. So let us go to our home page. This is the home screen. Since I develop more websites compared to the mobile application, so instead of screens, I prefer to say pages. So we have the carousel here. Okay, next we have the container for the product name. Next we have the container for product prices, regular price. Next we have the row for regular price. Next we have the container for product description, and we have some more buttons just below this screen. Okay, which we have just used just for dummy purpose while creating the UI of this app. So we will delete all these unnecessary things. We will delete this one as well and this one as well, so that our app looks clean and it's easier for us to maintain this app. Okay, all right, so everything has now been done. We have to go to the raw section, and then just below the, not below, in the second column we have to go to this function onPressed, and inside the onPressed function we have to write navigator dot push and build context, here material page route, and let us write context, and sorry, okay, just a minute. Context, and then here we will write the name of the screen, and let us close this line. Now if I click on add to cart, it will take me to the cart. Okay, so we will have to design this cart page as of now. So now, as we have already fetched the data from the API on our home screen, so we will simply copy all these three packages and let us paste it here. And now we will have to copy this variables as well, and let us paste it here. And then we will have to copy the override function, which is the init state function, and we will call the fetch product data images, this function, and we will simply fetch this one as well and paste it here. All done. Now in the cart we will have to design the here we have the container and your card, and just below this container we will create one row, and inside the row there will be children's, and we will also write the main axis alignment and space around. Here we'll be having three columns. Column 1, and here we will write text, sorry, child, children, and text. The name of this text will be like product name, a product image, and then the second column, sorry, now the second column, and here we will write the product name and then the product price. Okay, in this way, product image, product name, and product price, and just below this thing we will again use one elevated option. This is the row, and now we will create one new row or column, maybe, or maybe simply a container, and inside this container we will be using elevated button, and on pressed okay, here navigator, sorry, dot push and context material page route context, and here we will route the user to our card contact. Oh, sorry, so we have not created any checkout page. So let us quickly create a checkout page here. Check out and stateful widget, checkout screen, and let's import the Cupertino, and okay, we will import the material.dart later on, and here we will be importing the checkout screen, checkout screen here. All done, and we have to name the child, just a minute, okay, and it will be a text, and the name of this text will be checkout now. Okay, so it's showing in this way, and we can even style. Let us copy this style and paste it here. That's all. It's looking nice now, and we have to simply fetch the product image. So now here we'll be displaying the product details. We have product image, product name, and product price. Let us quickly display the product price here. Product price will be rupees, dollar, product, regular price. Yeah, sales price, not regular price. Which is rupees 99. Then we need the product name, and it will be product name, which is Revital tablets, and we need the product image. For the product image we will be using the network image which we have used in this section. Okay, we'll simply copy this code and let us paste it here. image.network, and instead of this one we will simply, okay, so here we have to do a little bit changes. And here, as we have already fetched all the images, right, so in this case we will not be displaying all the images. Instead we will be only displaying one static image, or which may be the first image. So let us delete all other codes and close this one and write it as image. And here we have the list of string. Instead of the list of string, we will delete it and we will simply create one string or variable called image. And this is the image which we will be displaying here in this section. And let us check. So no host specified in URI file. Okay, so now we can see this image. Our next step is to reduce the size of this image. To reduce the size, we will have to wrap this image network widget into one container, and we will define the width of the container as 60, and then we will create the child and we will paste network image here. So now we have the product image. Let us also give the width as 100 and try to give height as well as 100. Let us check. Now we have the product image. It's not looking good, by the way. However, instead of giving the height, let us only give the width. Product image, then product name and product tablets. We can also do one more thing. We can wrap all this child. We can wrap all the other widgets in 100 and container 100. We can also give it to the container child 99. We can define height as well. So this is not the correct way of designing the UI of the cart page, but here our focus, as we have already told, that our focus is not to design the UI as of now. We are simply exploring how to connect our app with our PHP web application. So here we have the image, and then we have the Revital tablets product name and then the product price. And if I click on checkout button here, I'll be able to move to the checkout screen. So in the next video, we'll be designing the checkout screen of this Flutter application.